In today's video, I want to be going over these Tview rear view license plate cameras. As you can see, these things are really gorgeous. This one here is a CCD with nighttime infrared, so it works day and night. This is the chrome finish. Really nice, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful camera. I also have it here in the black finish. So if you're looking for something evil and dark and black, I got one here for you in black, and we got the chrome. I'm going to light up the chrome for my demo. So let me do that for you right now. So I've gone ahead and I've got this camera wired up to my 7-inch screen, and you can see, I'm sorry that it's a little bit bright. The resolution may not be all it can normally be because of the intensely bright sun we're getting today, and unfortunately in the Sunshine State sometimes that's just to be expected. But down here you can see that there's a grid. So this bottom one, which here tells you that it's 1/3 of a meter or about a foot away from the obstacle behind you, you're about 2.3, and then you have about a total of 3, so you're about 9 feet out. So that's really cool and a useful tool. It's good for safety. This camera works daytime in color and at nighttime in black and white. It's actually showing up in black and white now because the camera thinks that it's nighttime just because of how this wacky light is in my warehouse. But talking about a little bit about quality, for the price, this thing is tough to beat. If you're not quite at the price point for Rostra because you don't want an OEM type of product, or if you just really want something that's a little bit more blingy, which in my opinion is where Tview shines the best, like this one, this might be the choice for you. It is a good quality. This is not going to chip off and, you know, turn ugly into it. It's not going to become a chrome-plated piece of plastic like you expect that Chinese junk to happen. It's not like that. It's not that bad. Believe it or not, these cameras actually hold up. When I sell them, they very rarely come back and there's a problem with them. They are waterproof, the whole housing, and that's the entire thing. The very high resolution. I can't tell you the exact. I believe the nit rate gets away from me, and I don't have the spec sheet. But trust me on it, it's really good. The wide angle, it's 170 degrees, and this is a CMOS camera, which is pretty out of the box because when you use these day-night IR cameras, they're usually CMOS, not CCD. 1/4-inch size camera. The sensor is a CCD, as I mentioned. It's a 1/3 inch in size, and it's made by Sony, so they're manufacturing the lenses for these. And of course, you know, with any camera, that's the most important piece. Your resolution is excellent. It's 420. Zinc alloy die-cast body, which is awesome. Universal RCA, one set, which will run out to your monitor to give you your signal. Power and ground to turn it on. That's it. Hardware is included. They give you an 18-foot extension harness, so you can do your installation pretty straightforward, hopefully with enough. If not, you can always extend the RCA to whatever length you desire. And that's it. I think these things are great. We're carrying them now, so if you're interested, give them a look. There's two models. There's the LS300NV-BK, which is the black version I showed you, and this one, which is the C, which is in chrome. So there you have it. There's your Tview review.